Today I'm in Brentwood, Tennessee. We are installing new gutter guards on this ranch home behind me. The story with this house is they live on a sloped lot, and behind the house you can see all the tree trunks. So a lot of trees, and all those leaves blow down from the hilltop here. The gutter guards that it has on it, some of them were a little bit tighter weave than others. The ones that were just kind of the black expanded steel guards are the ones that were being really problematic. You know, this type of system is being adequate. Truth of the matter is, it's not. You can see here just the remnants when we threw it down. So we're taking those systems off and installing our leaf lock micro mesh. So we just picked 4 spots: the metal roof behind me, and then the roof above that, and then at the far end of the house, and then around to the front. Also behind me you can see there's a downspout on that upper section of the house. We're going to extend that downspout into the gutter. So right now we are removing the bottom portion of that downspout. They had built in a little bit of an elbow to it. We're going to put on a proper elbow, and then we're going to extend the downspout from where Byron's sitting up against the house into the gutter below. That'll take all the water that is currently hitting the metal roof, and it'll put it directly from gutter, upper gutter to lower gutter, take that water flow and any of the water that was overflowing this lower gutter, take that out of contention. The gutter is cream. The downspout up against the house is also cream, but the roof is a gray. So in order to kind of color match this, we've got a gray downspout that we're going to run across the roof itself into the cream elbow, and that'll just make everything color match better than having a lighter colored downspout going across the roof. We've finished up here on the right side. If you look at the screen, even from this distance, you can see the screen along this right-hand side is a lot finer than the screen going back this way on the back of the house. So it's the micro mesh on the from that back corner where that white pipe is, all the way around the front, and then what he had up on the house previously on the back. Now you can see it's done a pretty good job of keeping the leaves and debris from kind of collecting on the screen, whereas the black screen, the expanded metal screen, was doing a really poor job. Here you can see in the valley it's collecting up there. He wanted to keep the splash guards up, so that's something he'll have to address a handful of times a year to keep that area free. Okay, we just finished extending the downspout from the upper gutter down into the lower gutter here at the porch. You can see we color matched the downspout at the bottom, and then going across this gray roof we used a gray downspout, and then that tied that in back into a beige elbow. So from the ground it all looks good, and from the windows up top it'll all look good. So this job is a wrap.